Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. First up, we are going to be taking a look at this beautiful pixie undercut. So the stylist created beautiful choppy layers and texture throughout the top. And then we're going to see an older woman who is going to be getting a pixie haircut. One of the best things about a pixie haircut is that it can work for all hair types as well as ages. So it doesn't matter how old you are or how young you are, you can rock a pixie. Beautiful. I love how her salt and pepper hair looks with this pixie cut. And the stylist did do some beautiful face framing bangs with this one. So we move on to pixie cut number 3. This one also features beautiful bangs. And then with the next one, we see a color transformation. She is going to be getting this beautiful pink toned pixie cut. So the stylist is going to be leaving a little bit of hair in the back, and that is what we are seeing starting to trend, and it is called the pixie mullet. Next up, we see a hair color transformation and the stylist braiding her pixie cut. Cute little style that you can rock if you just kind of want to do something different to your pixie, refresh it, and try something new. And then we see another color transformation. She is going to be going with platinum. And then the stylist is going to be adding some beautiful texture with these rollers. Love the way that this turned out, so cute. Next up, we see a pixie haircut transformation. beautiful. She does have natural curly wavy hair, so she was able to mix in a lot of her natural texture with this particular haircut. She looks amazing. And then we have another Pixie haircut with bangs. Very cute. I love the color that she did as well. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.